So here's the new development onto the bathroom. I started putting the wall. You can see this drywall is green, so that's made for places where there's likely to be more water. Hard to say what's different. I think it's actually heavier and it costs double the other one, so I hope it's better. And here is the bathroom. I'm not sure if I made a video on the inside. Window is all done, and marble like finish. So this is the access to the outside in case there's a need to fix the fan or something, and that will stay there. And so this one on the left, this is finished. It's not going to be coming down, but the one I just put it last week when my family came, just to make it a little bit more presentable. And I'm going to show you that sometimes accidents happen. Last week I was rewiring the top there. I was looking for my hammer. I had no, not my hammer. I was looking for a little crowbar to remove the old cable, and I couldn't find it, so I used my hammer, but I dropped it, and the sink is broken. It looks like a small hole. It is, but the crack goes right up to the edge, so obviously I can't keep that one. It's even leaking a little bit, so I ordered another one. And the next few days I'm going to put all the drywall in there, so that means I have to remove the washing machine and the sink, and then put in the ceiling. But obviously if you saw the other bathroom, it's a big improvement. And like I said, I wired everything. The fan is running, light is running, everything is ready. So that's it for today. I've just finished drywalling the room before the bathroom, and looks a lot cleaner. No ceiling yet, and all the little pieces around the bathroom door. And so like I said before, the green drywall is for water. It's more water resistant, and I wasn't sure what was different, but after working with it I noticed it's much denser, it's much harder to cut, it's much harder to work with. So I guess that's what is the difference. It's denser, so therefore the water will take longer to penetrate. So it's a bit of a pain, because now the next step is to putty all the joints, but to do that I have to take the cabinet and the washing machine, and that's not much fun, but that's what we're going to do. And gotta put some plastic around those corners to make it stronger. It's a small room, but it's a lot of work. I had to rebuild that wall completely, and I had forgotten, but up here we'll have some cabinet to put towels and things like that, and I had forgotten, so this morning I had to put some support behind the drywall to hold it. You can see where the screws are. That's going to be the support, and there's another one there. Let's go take a look at those cabinets. So here are the cabinets, mostly for towels and so on. It'll add a lot of room to that area. Alright, so I'll do another video when this is painted, and that's all for today. Alright, so yesterday I finished putting the drywall into the room in front of the bathroom. Call it in Japanese semenjo. And today I'm going to do the putty. So I mentioned before that for areas where there's a lot of water we use the green drywall, and I wasn't sure what was different, but after working with it I realized it's much denser, so that probably means that it takes longer for the water to get in, and that's the difference. more than the color. So here it is, and of course I put the drywall around the entrance here and over there. So now we can see how tightly it fits around the bathroom, and of course that will be all covered with putty and then painted. And here is the where the sink and the washing machine is. So that's kind of a pain because every time I do that I have to take it out, and that takes, I'd always spill a little bit of water and put it back. I'm having some trouble with these faucets here. I used a connector that has a kind of nut on it, but I think it's too short, doesn't go all the way to the end, and it kind of, well, it looks like it stopped now, but it was leaking until now. As you can see, the plywood became darker, and I'm gonna check again today, see if it's leaking. If not, I might have to change the type. This this connector is not tapered. I think tapered is better. So this one is made to be used with rubber seals. But I'll see if they leak, and of course if they don't leak I won't touch them. Alright, so here's it, and of course I also made a little wall here before it was open, and then here, right here will be a door, a sliding door. I'm still looking, I want to have a suspended door, and I haven't found it yet. So in here is a 2x5 or a 10.5 centimeter piece of wood, and same here, so I have something solid to hook it to, but I haven't found it. I found the manufacturer, but that's it. All right, so next step is putty and then painting, and then we can go and finish the kitchen floor. So let's take a look at the bathroom, and it's almost finished except for the floor. So the drywall around the door is done, and just this morning I finished the ceiling, and without the ceiling was really a big echo from here to the kitchen, so it's going to be adding a little bit of privacy. And I made a mistake, not a big deal, but I put the cupboard before I did the ceiling, so it was a little bit harder, but again, not a big mistake. The light will be changed later. I'll have a light that's directly onto the ceiling. That's just a Node light we had from before. And I put the plates around the switches. And here's the other one. So this, I think I mentioned in a previous video that I cracked this one, so I'll pick up the new one on Friday. So today is Thursday, so that's tomorrow, and then I'll be able to finish it all. And here will be a sliding door. I'm still looking for the tracks. I want a suspended door. I don't want one with the railing on the bottom like before. It's kind of noisy. So this is the bathroom, and you can see the drywall is flush with the door. Still have to clean the door. It's still quite dusty, and of course take that sign out. All right, so here it is. So what I'll do is take a video once. I'll do the kitchen and this floor at the same time, probably within a month or so. All right, this is for the bathroom. Alright, so I've put some more stuff around the little what can I call it, shack or cover for the heater. You can see the white stuff is a fireproof material, and then behind is some insulation, and on the other side is the same. And there's this piece of material, it was from the back. I just used the same material. It's about 4 inches thick. It's of course some kind of fireproof, and then I got it down there, and it goes behind, and at the top as well is our fireproof material. And then just now I'm gonna prepare to put the cover on this, and I'm looking for some, I guess, fireproof kind of insulation. I bought some before. It's kind of fiberglass, but it's hard. I can't put the regular fiberglass because I'm not going to have a cover on top of it, so I'm looking for something that doesn't burn. So this is the little cover for the heater, and on top I put a water repellent thing, and of course I'm going to put some silicone to seal it properly, so it goes from the window down. I'm going to take a little video when I put the lid on. So here is the box with the cover on. Looks kind of sleek. If you look at the distance a little bit, it's hidden under the window, the bay window, and I made a little bit of a opening to get some air, because there's a fire inside, so it needs some air. And from the other side, the exhaust pipe, I will take it up above that window and the kitchen window, so that you don't smell the kerosene burning. Here it is. And I'm not going to do it this year, but I'm going to put some siding on top, so that will be matching the rest of the house. So here it is. Alright, so here is the bathroom, and in last week I did the kitchen and also the bathroom. This room is pretty well done except for the molding on the left side, and I've installed the washroom and the sink and the shelf, the cupboard over there. And you can see that when they installed the bathroom, I told them what kind of flooring I was going to do, and it's nice and tight, and the water can get in there, and the molding is there. And I don't know if I showed you, but this is the inside of the bathroom, and marble like wall. And I don't know what it is about the bath. It's white, but somehow when we put water it looks blue, so I don't know what makes the water look blue, but it's nice touch, I guess. So here and all, everything is finished all around the entrance. So I guess this will be the last part for the washroom. And this here, I just put this temporary piece of plywood. I can't do it until I finish the floor in the hallway, because I don't know exactly what width will be the gap, and also I need to leave it open, because when I put the flooring together, I need about, I guess, half a centimeter of play to push it in. So if I put the piece of wood in between, then I won't be able to do that. So I have to wait until I finish the floor in the hallway. Alright, that's it for the bathroom.